1, 51 and 51 का 1.
So who we appoint? What do they suggest?
They say that the appointment should be from the judicial officers.
No, but that's not challenging the Viris. They're saying one of the options. आप कह रहे हैं Viris challenge.
जी, Viris challenge की और उन्होंने ये ground किया जी कि because Article 218(3) requires free and fair election.
Right.
Yes.
This is what our contention is, that even the impugned order does not mention even a single ground why there should be a suspension of the ARO's or DRO's notification by referring to a single constitutional provision which section 50 and 51 is ultra-wise of.
Sorry.
My lord.
We are a bit tired and just take us step by step. First of all, what's wrong with this provision? If it is removed, what do they want? What does this petitioner want?
Let me take your lordship through the prayer.
What you're saying is, उन्होंने इस सेक्शन को चैलेंज किया है कि 2183 के ग्राउंड पे कि फेयर इलेक्शंस होने चाहिए और इस प्रोविजन में कौन सी चीज है जो फेयर इलेक्शंस के रास्ते में आती?
They are saying that the appointment from executive will hamper the fairness of the election.
वो प्रोविजन अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डिक्लेयर कर रहे हैं. All times to come.
Yes. This is what they have challenged it on.
For all times to come.
जरा प्रेयर तो
ये जुडिशरी से होना चाहिए. Let me take your lordship to the prayer.
प्रेयर पढ़िए जरा, उसमें क्लियर हो जाएगा. जरा पढ़ें. मुकम्मल कह रहे हैं कि उनको खत्म किया जाए.
वो कह रहे हैं कि section 50 and 51 is ultra-wise. It's at page 25.
Please bear with us, because usually we read petitions before we come to court.
Ji, my lord.
This is a time when we've not read it. Because
I understand.
Ji.
It's at page 25, my lord.
Ji.
And the prayer starts at the bottom.
Ji.
In view of the grounds and facts explicated, it is most respectfully prayed that the instant petition may kindly be allowed and impugned sections 51B and 51(1) of Elections Act 2017 may kindly be declared unconstitutional, void, without lawful authority and of no legal effect. Alternatively, it is prayed that section 51B of the Election Act, to the extent of the expression list of officers provided by the government or a provincial government therein, may kindly be declared unconstitutional, void, without lawful authority and of no legal effect. Further, the Election Commission may kindly be directed to initiate consultation process with the Honorable Chief Justice of the High Courts for the appointment of judicial officers as DROs and returning officers under section 50 and 51 of the Elections Act for the general elections. Moreover, it may kindly be declared that in general elections cannot be conducted in fair, transparent, free and impartial, independent manner in presence of DROs and ROs from the executive branch of the state.
कभी भी चैलेंज कर सकते थे पहले भी.
It has been there for the 6 years.
जब ROs अपॉइंट हो गए तो उनको ये सब याद है.
We are at the verge of issuing the.
ये एक सेकंड, ये लॉ कब बना है?
2017, my lord.
Last
6 years.
Last elections कब हुए?
2018.
On the basis of
this section 50 and 51, they were.
Last election में जो DROs थे वो
judicial officers थे. This was the first time.
नहीं, judicial officer तो नहीं थे.
The judicial officers थे. जो DROs है, district returning officers है, वो तो district judicial officers से. Returning officers भी judicial उससे लिए थे. AROs जो है, it was a mixed form.
but ये आप हम पे जबरदस्ती तो नहीं कर सकते हैं. इसमें लिखा है from the judiciary, subordinate judiciary in consultation with the Chief Justice of the concerned High Court. So how can somebody impose it? Suppose even you write to the Chief Justice, then it's his discretion whether he wants to spare a judicial officer or officers or not.
Yes. In fact, what we did was we did write to all the 5 honorable Chief Justices of the High Courts different letters.
Are they on record?
जी, they are on the record.
दिखाएं.
कब लिखा आपने बताइए?
The first is the Lahore High Court. It's at page 208. Letter was dated 1st of February 2023 in February, my lord. And there was a clear regret.
Where is it?
Where is the regret?
It's at page 208. There are 2 letters of Lahore High Court. The reply is at page 210 of the paper.
You wrote as far back as 1st of February?
Yes, my lord. Because the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab was...
फिर बताएं, फिर कब है?
फिर My lord,
उनका जवाब regret
210 पे 210 पे पेज 210 पे लेटर ऑफ रिग्रेट है।
जरा पढ़ दें।
जी माय लॉर्ड, मैं टेक योर लॉर्डशिप टू 211 पे।
नहीं, रिग्रेट में जो रीजंस दिए हैं एज वी स्पीक,
जी, there was a shortage of judicial staff and all that.
पढ़ लेना।
It's para 2.
Para 1.
जी जी,
Para 2(1).
Para 2(1). As we speak, a huge number of cases totaling 13,12,480 are pending adjudication in the courts of district and session judge, additional district and sessions judges, senior civil judges, and civil judges throughout Punjab. And if services of majority of these officers are given as district returning officers and returning officers at the disposal of Election Commission of Pakistan, this pendency will mount to by manifold. And the ultimate sufferers will be the poor litigants, resultantly hampering the entire scheme and system of dispensation of justice at the grassroots level, and this cannot be afforded compromise at the cost of delay in justice and aggravating nuisance of the human right.
But if this letter is already in the field, then the petitioner does not want elections.
मैं उसमें अर्ज कर देता हूं।
If the Chief Justice, the Lahore High Court, the others have also declined or not?
Out of 5, the Islamabad High Court did not respond.
जी.
We wrote in September and October to all the others. The Peshawar High Court said कि go to that's the judicial policy. आप वहां से जाके clarification लें. They did not agree to accede to our request. Balochistan High Court initially agreed, but later on the learned registrar said कि no, we cannot provide. This was as near as the 2 weeks back. And Sindh High Court, just like Lahore High Court का एक और superseding letter है, वो मैं अभी पढ़ता हूँ. They said कि नहीं, जब आप election program issue करेंगे फिर हमें request भेजिएगा. तो इलेक्शन प्रोग्राम तो बिल्कुल एट द वर्ड्स आता है। हमने AROs और DROs की ट्रेनिंग तो पहले करनी है।
वो तो पहले होती है।